In front of me is ZTE BLADE A71, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to choose Sound and Vibration over here, scroll down and tap on Sound Mode. Now select Vibrate over here to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. To change it, tap on any other option. You can also click on When in Ring mode and select Vibrate Vocals or Vibrate and Increasing Ringtone. Now scroll down and click on this switcher next to Switch to Silent or Vibrate to switch off or on this feature. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to switch them off or on. And lastly, on this one next to Touch Vibration to disable or enable haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!